Hey guys, this is a video tutorial on how to make a deposit into APY MPH using the oBTC asset. So let's go to the website, apymph.app. Go to the top right, connect our wallet, MetaMask. Okay, so let's go to the left side here. The left side, earn fixed APY. Click that. Here we have our options, pool deposits. Let's go down to CRV oBTC. That's the asset we want to deposit today. Here, this is the fixed APY percentage, 7.23%. This is the MPH rewards percentage, and this is the temporary MPH rewards. Let's click add. Here, select from the list the asset we want. We want CRV oBTC. Here in brackets, Harvest, that is the protocol that is bearing the interest. That's from Harvest Finance. Okay, here, minimum available, 0.01. That's how much I have. Okay, now at this point, you're wondering, how do I get my CRV oBTC asset? Okay, good question. Here is the actual Etherscan page. The full name is here. Okay, this is the contract address. But where do we get it from? Now, here's two options. Okay, you can go to curve//oBTC, and here you have oBTC. Now, we want to purchase our oBTC first. If you don't have it, you must go to one of two places. Curve, you can come here, choose RenBTC, Wrapped BTC, or SBTC, okay, and then you can choose here on this side the oBTC. You make the purchase, simple. Or you can come here to boringdao.com. BoringDAO is the location that oBTC actually comes from. Here, we want to go at the top to mint. We want to mint some oBTC. Here you can put in your BTC. 1 BTC will give you this much oBTC. The difference is that if you make it on BoringDAO, you get a reward in BOR. So it's a good incentive to do so here. Alternatively, you can just purchase it from Curve directly. Now, once you have your oBTC, you must click Deposit on Curve. Here you can add your oBTC. It has 0.01. Deposit and stake engage, stake unstaked engage. Do not click these. These will deposit it into the Curve protocol, which we don't want. We just want to deposit to gain the liquidity. You deposit and it will give you your Curve oBTC LP token, which is, if you go down here, you can see token contract. It is this token contract. Okay, we have our oBTC. Fantastic. Here it is. Now, let's go back to MPH. And let's deposit the amount required. At this stage, you can see here we can have a choice. How long do we want to lend our asset for? The longer you lend it, the higher your interest rate. Okay, so let's play around with this here. 7 days, 14 days. As you see here, your MPH rewards are what changes. Okay, you receive more the longer you lend your assets for. Again, all the way up to 365. The fixed rate interest is $25 on this. Here, your MPH rewards are larger, 7-day vesting. It's important to know that you will get these over 7 days, but when you withdraw, you must repay a certain amount. This is why on the front page it says temporary APY rewards and permanent APY rewards. Some information here. There is also more detailed information on the docs, apymph.docs, how it works. Come here to the side, and this one, how APY MPH works. You can get some nice information here. Okay, I've chosen 365 days. Let's continue. MetaMask will pop up, and it will ask us to spend lots of gas fee on allowing us to spend the asset. Let's do that now. Okay, so that transaction has cleared. Let's go back, continue for the next one. Okay, as you can see, gas fees are extortionate, but let's go ahead and pay what we must. Defi has a price, it seems. Okay, so transaction has started and we'll wait for that to finish. Great, transaction has succeeded, and now our deposit is in the system. So let's head back to the main page, and here, MPH vesting. Okay, if you click this, you can see your vested MPH. As it says before, your temporary rewards are vested over 7 days. So let's check here, 6 days left before these are fully vested. Current withdrawable amount is this many MPH, so just leave that for a bit. Now let's move on to buy floating rate bonds. These are a little bit more complex, and I do recommend you reading first the example with Chad and Kevin, but also more detailed here back to see how it works here, floating rate bonds. It's pretty important to read about this. Okay, once again, let's go to the pool and find CRV oBTC. Okay, go here and we can set our average floating rate APY prediction. This is what we predict, and it doesn't affect the bond itself, it affects the estimation. As you can see, I do this up and down, it will change the estimated ROI. Okay, estimated is the important part. Okay, same thing, click continue, and you can deposit your oBTC. I do not have any more, so you can imagine. If you have any more questions, please drop by the Discord or the Telegram or our WeChat groups or anything like that, and reach out to one of us for support. Cheers, guys.